My name is Redfearn. I am a senior here at Harding University High School, and this is my senior story. I love taking on challenges. I do take upon a leadership role. I'm a part of the Senior Advisory Board.
Make some noise, class of 2020.
I am the captain of the men's tennis team. I am a freelance graphic designer. Last year, I conducted a t-shirt campaign where I came up with the logo. I am a sales associate at Salsaritas.
His work ethic is a very strong piece of who he is, and he is a hard worker when it comes to his academics and a hard worker when it comes to his multiple jobs.
I work at Urban Promise, a program for younger students who are currently battling something in their household or their community.
Raise your hand.
And it's basically a safe haven where they're able to come in and get their homework done. I have always been independent, such as supporting myself financially in different manners. I am taking care of my younger sister the best way possible. When you grow up in a home with no type of financial support coming through, it can be difficult. After high school, I plan on attending a 4-year university, which I'll be the first person in my family to do so, attend a college, period. I've been accepted to 11 colleges. Most of them have given me scholarships, but I'm waiting for that one full ride scholarship. I would like to major in mass communications. HUHS. When I think about my future, I feel as if once everything's said and done, I'm gonna feel accomplished. All of this hard work was not a waste. That prepared and built the person that I am today.